Hi, this is a quick message for Jennifer. My name is Robert. I live in the local Aurora area. I'm pretty much in your backyard here, and I specialize in helping attorneys get to the front page of Google. I was doing some research, obviously, around the Aurora New Market area and was just trying to see where you were ranking at for some keywords that are actually sought after, which of course is going to be the family law here. So of course I came across your site. Wanted to show you where you're ranking at this point in time. If you're not aware, when I type in family lawyer Aurora, right, I have to go all the way to page 2 to find you. As you know, most of the business is going to be on page 1 back over here, right? You're either going to get, sorry, let me scroll back here. You're either going to get people who are looking within the ads section up here. They're looking in the map pack section right here or the first page. But again, finding you on page 2 really puts you at a disadvantage with your people calling you from Google. It's probably the easiest way to say it. You may be experiencing some of this. Another thing I wanted to tell you that may help you out is changing a couple things around. First of all, I noticed that your home page here is very short in content. I would really make this a lot more content, meaning between 500 to 1,000 words minimum about your services and what you do. I do see you have a services tab over here, but when Google looks and crawls the internet, they want to see the most relevant information that is immediately on your home page. You really don't have much here whatsoever, so adding information more about what you do, I would put the majority of your business, what you do, on this home page, because most people will never go back to the second and third pages a lot of times. They'll crawl that first page if they like it, then they'll stay out and investigate you out further. So that's another tip there. Also, when I was looking at this as well too, I have a tool that I actually use here. It is just to see how you kind of line up in the eyes of Google when we look at Law, right, .ca here. I have a scanner tool that I actually use. And this right here, if you think about, let's say if you go to a bookstore and you look for a book, okay? If you know the author, you might go ahead and buy it, but if not, and you see something that has a catchy title, then you're more likely to pick it up because of a title. It's something that interests you, or you may be looking for. So Google looks at it in the exact same way as well too. So the first thing here is called a title tag, right? So when we look at the title tag, if we go down to your website right here, this is this area right here. This is your title tag. Actually isn't bad right here. I might not necessarily put law up front, right? I would have more of the family law because, again, that is a higher key term that people are actually searching for. How do I know it? I look in Google, right? There's also another course term, family law, near me as well too, which is also. But people are always looking for family law in their city. So keep that in mind. I would probably take out the law and just put that at a different spot. Again, something that we can help you with here, but family lawyer or family law attorney, something along that nature, Aurora, right? Because I see that you are based out of the Aurora area here. Next thing is if we look is your meta description here, which actually isn't bad. It gives a short description of your business. Okay, again, I would have a lot more of your services in here, either family law, which you do, you have family law right here, and mediation services. Actually, you know what? I probably would leave this alone right here, okay? But where I would change things up a bit is this is called the header tag. Now, the header is, again, it's like I said, it's like the title to the book, and these are the subchapters of the book. And the most important spot here, you have your name, okay, of your business, and you have what you do, what type of practice you actually specialize in after that. I would switch that around. How do you do something like that? First thing you would do is I would put this law in a different spot, maybe a little bit lower, and put the family law and mediation service above that. That will help you increase your ranking I'm going to say quite a bit just by doing that part alone to it and nothing else. Okay, so I wanted to show you a couple of things that actually can help you out. Again, as I said, I specialize in helping attorneys get to the front page of Google. And if you're looking for any help with some of these changes and other things that could get you out of that, that second page and up to the front page, reach out to me. My information's below, and I'm happy to talk to you anytime or even meet with you in person. So have a great evening and take care.